In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get stock data in Google Sheets, Google Finance. By the end, you'll know how to open a blank sheet, paste the right formulas, pull a live price for a specific ticker like Apple, and display a dated day-by-day price history, all using Google's built-in Google Finance function. Start by opening a new blank Google Sheet in your browser. Give it a moment to load and click into an empty cell where you want your data to appear. Everything we do will start from a blank cell, so make sure your cursor is placed where you want the results to spill. If your sheet already has content, choose a clear area to avoid overwriting anything. Next, copy and paste the formula into that blank cell. The Google Finance function follows a simple pattern. It's Google Finance, ticker, attribute. The ticker is the stock symbol in quotes, and the attribute tells Google which piece of data you want. For example, you can paste something like Google Finance, GUGE, to return a quick snapshot. After you press enter, the function may take a moment to fetch data. If you see a loading or NA message briefly, that's normal. Just give it a second. Use the first formula you see on the right, which demonstrates the general snapshot approach. When you enter only the ticker, no attribute, Google Sheets returns a small table with common fields, such as price and change, that spills into adjacent cells. Make sure the cells to the right are empty so the data can populate properly. If you prefer a single value instead of a table, you'll specify an attribute in the next step. If you want to see Apple's stock price specifically, use the second formula shown. A direct example is here on Google Finance, AAPL, price. This returns the live price, typically with a short delay. You can swap AAPL for any other ticker you track. If your market uses a different exchange or regional ticker, include it as needed, like Nasdaq's AAPL. To see the daily stock price with dates, use the third formula that pulls historical data. A practical example is a Google Finance AAPL close, today, 30 today, daily. This returns a two-column table with the date in the first column and the closing price in the second for each day in the range. You can adjust the start and end dates to any period you want. If the dates don't look right, format the date column, and remember that historical data doesn't update intraday. That's it. Your sheet now fetches live and historical stock data directly from Google Finance.